Oi, we're gonna touch you.
We're gonna touch you.
Alright, mate, let's touch you.
No touching me in the halls.
I don't bloody care.
No touching. You know what? I'm gonna touch you.
No touching.
Grrr, where'd they go? I got you.
Stop clapping him!
Get the hell off of me.
Get back here.
Absolutely not. I'm going to touch you. Hard, hard.
Oi!
Whoa.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? I will help you.
And his name is John C.
I will touch you.
What?